Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix Filmora crashing and freezing issues. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the actual application, which you can do on their official website, which is Wondershare Filmora. When you do that guys, you need to go and log into your profile, but you do not have to do it. It's just if you of course want to do it. Now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So we have the files, we have the edit, tools, view, export and help options. Export is great because we don't have anything at the moment to export. We have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, for instance, let's say that you have problems and Filmora is crashing and freezing non-stop. Well, how you can fix it? Well, you have a few options what you can do. The first option is of course to go and just restart your PC. Maybe it's because of your PC, so you'll go and just restart it, and then you can go and turn it on and try opening Filmora and seeing if it's also freezing and crashing. Now the second option is to go and delete the whole application, but be sure that you deleted the whole application from your PC, and then you can go and again install it from the website and try again. And the last option guys is to go and log out of your profile from the program. Log out, log in again, or log in with another account and try it like that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.